So the thing is that when you're going through a divorce, you're really walking two roads at the same time. You're walking the road that I call litigation, where you're in the courthouse and you're proceeding from filing your divorce complaint through all the steps that it takes to ultimately get to a trial. And on the other hand, you're walking the road that I call mediation, where you're perhaps working with a mediator and your attorney and the attorney for the other side and your spouse, and you're trying to settle the case. And the two roads are not parallel, they were kind of skewed, like they go like this, and they meet ultimately at the top, and that's your trial date, which is roughly a year from when your divorce complaint is filed. So if this is the litigation road and this represents the mediation road, you want to try to, as we're moving forward, waiting for that trial date, we're trying to settle over here. We're getting closer and closer to the intersection of those two. But at any point over here, when you reach a settlement, we put together a written document called the matrimonial settlement agreement. That matrimonial settlement agreement becomes the basis of your divorce. We notify the court over here on the litigation road that we're ready to come in for an uncontested divorce, and the case ends that way. So you're walking those two roads simultaneously. And if we don't settle the case over here before the intersection, before you walk both roads, usually takes about a year, and the judge says, hey, on the Smith versus Smith case, Mr. Kaplan, either let me know you're settled within the next hour or call your first witness. That doesn't happen, you're going to trial. But if we settle the case at any point before that intersection, that's where we end the case, and that's how it all ends. Until next time, I'm Steve Kaplan.